Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to give you a quick tour of my new portfolio website, a place where design meets the code and creativity brings the solutions. Let's dive right in. Right when you land on the site, you're greeted with the bold statement heading, Building Digital Solutions that Make a Difference. I wanted this area to grab your attention instantly. There is a friendly Let's Work Together button with a nice hover animation. And to add a personal touch, I included some playful animation of hand illustration and a heart with the bouncing animation. Plus, you'll notice a cool floating navbar at the bottom. When you hover on it, each icon just little bit a pop-up to show what is the link about. Next up, I show off some of my quick numbers that highlight my journey. 25 projects completed, 2 years of experience, and 8 plus clients served. This section gives a fast, clear picture of what I have accomplished so far, kind of like a snapshot of my work. In the About section, I share a little bit of who I am. I'm a software developer and designer who loves writing clean code with the creative designs. I focus on building responsive web apps and mobile experiences. This part is all about showing my passion for turning ideas into user friendly solutions. Moving on, I've got a section for my experience where I've showed how I've worked as a role of front end and back end developer. Then I showcase some of my featured projects like the Astra, Capsea, Linkify, and Transcribe, which is the software which I am going to launch with the GitHub repository and a live link preview. Each project comes with a demo and a GitHub repository, so you can see the work behind the magic. I've put a cool batch section style with the list of the tools and technologies I've worked on, from React, Next.js, and React Native on the front end to Node.js, Flask, and various databases on the back end. This is designed to give you a quick view of my technical skill without having to read through long paragraphs. I've also included a review section where you can read the real client review feedback. It really shows the trust and satisfaction of my clients have in my work. And if you see what you like, you can also have a contact section where you can just email or contact to my WhatsApp number and say a hi with the same message button. Lastly, my site has a couple of more pages. One for my detailed work where I've showcased each project with the extract batch, GitHub repository, and a live preview. And to share my thoughts, I've included the blog where you can read what I'm thinking and what's going on in the tech. The floating navbar at the bottom have a couple of links linking directly to the GitHub, LinkedIn, and my YouTube channel with a downloadable resume. And if you like my work and want to support me, there is also a little buy me a coffee button at the right bottom. That's wrap up on the tour of my portfolio. I built this site not only showcase my skills, but also to create an engaging and friendly experience for anyone who visits it. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.